Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. Let's quickly look at the analysis of Nifty. Plus we'll be just looking at the stocks which are giving good potential for tomorrow's trade. So this is the 15-minute chart of Nifty futures. As you can see in the previous video, there was no video recorded yesterday. Occupied somewhere. So let's quickly look at Nifty, what exactly it is doing. Day before yesterday, we had a discussion to open a long position somewhere around 18,800. So, or in case if Nifty is giving a 61.8 retracement of this particular swing somewhere around here. So as you can see, Nifty futures did retrace exactly around 61.8 retracement of this swing. So if you had drilled down to further 3-minute chart or 4-minute chart, you would have got an entry somewhere around here. Once it is started forming new structure high, then you would have got entry somewhere around here, and after that it would have been an easy ride. Alright, so if you have not entered that position, or it was an intraday trade for that matter, what we should be doing after that, as you can see, it was a gap up opening today, and after that it was not much because it was just wasted into this consolidation. So there are two ways. Either the market is still remaining to retrace this entire swing, which is this one, from here to here. Either the market is looking to retrace further or correct further with respect to this swing, because as you can see, it is still trading in the upper 30% of this particular swing. So if in case the retracement is still pending and Nifty does this, and in fact this looks more probable because it cannot keep on going like this. You see, it has been moving considerably with good momentum to the upside. So in case it is just pulling back to 18,025 region, then we can still do the same thing which was captured here, right? Wait for that price to retrace to 61.8 retracement, go back to some previous smaller time frame like 3 minute or 5 minute, then we'll be looking for a structure like this. It comes back and goes up. So this will be our opening and this will be our stop loss. The exact level, it cannot be done today because the retracement up to which it starts giving this particular structure or start making higher high and higher low, that will be our opening position for longs. So this is our premise, and this is what analysis of Nifty is saying. We are still looking for long positions. Short positions are still not looking good probabilistic trade. Instead, long is still favorable. In case we are going big correction wise like this below these areas, then I think it will be only suggesting a short position. Otherwise, for tomorrow's viewpoint, I do not consider a long a short trade. A long trade should be considered more favorable. So long trade somewhere around 18,225 on future chart, or if there is a scenario of complete gap up, then still we should be waiting for this structure, a structure of higher high. Because if you see, after opening gap up today, price was never able to break the opening high or the high made in the first 15 minutes. After that, it was just dragging down and making lower low. All right. So let's quickly look at these stocks as well. First one is AB Capital. If someone is already holding the stock, the stop loss can be moved somewhere around 144.25. If someone is still looking to enter this trade, that would be a less probable trade in the long position, but still the trade can be something like this. Since the swings are making smaller projections to the upside, that means the momentum or the strength of buyers is getting somewhat diminished. There can be two possibilities. Measure this swing, open the trade around 144.9. Keep the stop loss around 143. Simple. Let it move, and if you want, you can book the profit around 149.4. Simple one, first step. Otherwise, let it cross 148.1 decisively. Open a buy position here. Let me give that. When it crosses here, open long, put the stop loss here. Simple as that. These are the two conditions of getting into the trade. So, yeah, you can check it. Whatever way looks more favorable, you can open a long position. Suppose it just does something like this, opens here, then it will be more realistic to go long above here. In case it starts dwindling down in the lower region around here, then you can open a long position around 61.8 retracement of this swing. So both options are open here. Next one is Voltas. Voltas has a very good session today. So in fact, it is a very good long candidate above 846.75. Buy can be opened here. SL will be 837.5, just below this congestion area. In fact, if there is a more congestion, then it will be even better. It will give a confidence that people are still struggling or transactions are going in this area, and after it crosses 846, it will be giving a good upward momentum. Next one is Astral. As you can see, Astral has been moving in this congestion area from multiple trading sessions or maybe over a week. So it looks like it is now getting ready for a up move, because from many sessions it was going continuously down. So this can be a candidate which has just started the up move. So our process is simple. We'll be looking to buy around 1925, which is the breakout point of this particular candle, and stop loss simply at 1900. And trailing mechanism is also very simple. Moves up, makes a new swing low, moves up, we put the stop loss here. No further questions. I mean, a very simple process. In this condition, you will be able to gather most of the trend of this stock, of any stock in fact. Next one is L&T Finance Holding. L&T Finance Holding also has been in a good uptrend. It just started some correction here, you see. And if you see, this is the last swing, and it has broken above this swing here. So in case it is now able to go above 89.25, then we'll be opening a long position, keeping the stop loss around 87.5. And if you are looking to have a target, in that way your target can be 125 extension of this swing, which is around 91.65. Otherwise, if you want to just trail it and want to capture the most of the trend, which even can be bigger than this, then it will be simply trailing mechanism like this. Otherwise, you can put a target around 91.6. Simple as that. Depends on person to person, Both are the methods of exit. So these are the stocks which are looking good and having some good momentum and may give a good trading opportunity for tomorrow, and this should be kept on watch list. So if you have guys any suggestions or feedback, please do post in comment section. And in case you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do so that you are not missing out on any informative video. And if you would like to have any analysis of particular stock, technical analysis, then you can also make a request and I will be making a video separately on the same. Till then, thank you very much.